one. They're too hard. Unless we can get a stroller kind that doesn't, you know, a stroller one. Is it? Well, that's a walker though. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Huh. Right, I know. No, we don't.
So silly kitty. So Stitchy. Hi, Stitch.
Not about 10 o'clock in the morning, so I'm sure David will have you down there by 7. I know he will. And we'll arrive about 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Oh, there he goes.
Okay. All right. Well, I just thought I'd let you hear that baby gurgle. Yeah, he's a cutie. So, okay, Mom. Okay.
Oh.
Goodbye, Mom. All right. Okay. Goodbye.
Oh, he came back. Oh, he did. Stitch came back. You gonna go get him? You give him love? Are you? He started to shuffle toward him.
Did he?
Yeah. Look, Stitchy came to say hi. I'm trying to go pet the kitty cat.
Yeah, he's working those knees. Isn't that amazing how they develop that stuff?
Yeah. I don't know, Stitch. He's getting closer. Uh-oh. Falling all over the place.
I was thinking back in the bathtub, he was trying to grab the lid of the neti pot.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
And how he'd go like this and he would go.
Yeah, yeah. He runs his hand through it like, why can't I grab it?
Anyway.
Isn't that funny?
But anyway, see, that's that fine motor skills. He's just
Yeah.
starting to do this, and it takes the whole hand.
Yeah.
When you start seeing the pincher grip like this, and he's bigger.
Getting there. Look at that crazy Stitch. You gonna go see him? Yeah. Go see Stitchy. Go pet him and give him loves. Don't worry, Stitch. I'll watch out for you. Where you going? Where you going? I know, Stitch. He's crazy. He's crazy. Go, Brycey. You can do it. Lift those legs. Lift those legs. You can do it. Push, push. You can do it. Yes, you can. You can do it. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Can you get him to laugh?
Oh,
He was laughing just a